How to put Snapchat in dark mode. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application, right? Now it will lead you to your camera section automatically. Now on the upper left, you will see your Bitmoji there or your icon. Tap on your Bitmoji here and it will lead you here to your profile section. And on the upper right, you'll see your gear icon there, the settings icon. Tap on that. And what I want you to do is to scroll down up until you see app appearance. Here it's actually under the my account section, the very last option. You'll see app appearance here. Tap on that and you will see four different options there. Now you will see match system, always light, always dark, and custom. So since you want to set it on dark mode, tap on always dark. So Snapchat will always use a dark app appearance, and basically that is how you set your application into dark mode. As you can see here, it's already in dark mode. And that is how you put Snapchat in dark mode. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.